Jai Srimanarayana. Once a man was walking through a forest and caught two offspring of a parrot. He taught them how to talk. Parrots can repeat the words we say. After few days, he thought of selling them. A butcher bought one parrot. He was taking it to his shop to attract his customers. After some time, some Vedic Pandits were impressed by the second parrot and bought it. Though they were the babies of the same parrot couple, they were brought up in two different environments. The parrot, which was with the butcher, started saying, "Cut it, tear it," and so on, which were the words constantly used by a butcher. That is the way any butcher talks. So the parrot got used to that language. It is not the fault of the parrot, but the environment where it was placed in. As such, it was talking in harsh manner. The second parrot, which was with the Vedic Pandits due to the influence of Gurukula atmosphere, it learnt to talk politely and used to repeat the words like Om, Rama, please come, do you want water, and so on. It was talking in that way because of the sattvic atmosphere all around. This incident reveals where we are born does not matter, but where we are growing up and in which environment and society we are placed in. That influences a person and makes him cultivate that language. As such, a child should be provided with such environment where he has good company of friends. They should be provided with useful information in form of books and other technical appliances. Thank you. Yes.